Guys, so today we're going to be making a two-layered flared sleeve, as you can see in this picture here. So I'm going to be using two different type of fabric. So this is the first part of the layered. This is going to be the longer part of the sleeve, and there's also going to be a short layer. So what I did was to draft out a cone-shaped pattern with a length of 13 inches, and then I marked out the armhole part. As you can see here, so that armhole is where would be attached to the armhole circumference on the main outfit. After that, the other materials that I'm using for the layered piece is this net, and I'm going to cut out the same shape as the previous one that I've cut, but it's going to be shorter, preferably up to half the full length of the full sleeve that I've drafted out before. And I'm just going to basically repeat the same thing to cut out the armhole circumference so that they are both of the same size and shape, just that one is longer than the other. So after cutting out the pattern, I try to use my hand to see an estimate of the gathered and fullness that I want it to be. If I was comfortable, I proceed to attach it to the main outfit. So this is what it looks like. On the main outfit, you can see the layered flare, looking all beautiful and gorgeous. This is a DIY you should try. Kindly like, subscribe and share this video.